Hey everybody, live from the attic here. Just want to make a quick unboxing slash unpacking video. This will be just a quick one because it feels like a really light item, and just gonna go and open it up and see what it is. Oh, cool. Yeah, this is just an accessory for the DJI Pocket 3. Wanted something for myself that I could use in order to record, and then put it up on different positions and angles, and have it film. Yeah, let me show you the Amazon listing. Bought these for a good price. If you're a Prime member, it's $8.99, so really good deal, and it's a great accessory to have when trying to get certain shots, and want to get the placement right. Yeah, perfect. And it's that magnetic thing right here, so you can get it. Right now I am filming with the Pocket 3, so I can't really show, but what I could do is I could cut it open and we can check it out in hand. Let's see what the box is. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, pretty simple accessory. Oh, cool. Got that. Yep, got that piece of magnet, and then pretty sure this is the spot where it unlatches. I'm pretty sure, right? Yep, there it is. Once you unlatch it, you can go ahead, place the DJI in, close it up, boom, and then this thing, I'm pretty sure based on, yep, there it is, it unclipped. Now you can kind of pivot, get shots in different angles and stuff. So yeah, that's really it, guys. I just wanted to show how it looked in hand and everything. I'll put a link in the description below for you guys to check out, and not much other than that. Definitely going to start testing this out, but yeah, that's really it, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.